invest and build your brand. You know, building your brand is probably the most important way to communicate with guests. And at the end of the day, the direct bookings is directly connected to how well you communicate with them. I'm Shelly. I'm the business development manager at Guesty, and I've been with Guesty for 3 years. So we were a company of 30 when I started. Today we're over 300. Important mistake that people should avoid making is not investing in reviews. And the reason being that is that's your online profile. And that's, you know, the voice of your listing speaking to the guest, right? So invest a little bit more in getting reviews. You can easily, you know, increase your review getting if you give a review. So improving that, and again, you know, enhancing your online image.
It's something that I talk about all the time is outsourcing, and you can't do everything. You can't spin all the plates, because if you do it, then you'll burn out and the business will suffer. And you know, if you're happy being the person that is always in reactive mode, you know, always answering the questions because you like to be the face of whatever, that's absolutely fine. But if you want to be that proactive business owner, hospitality owner, accommodation owner, whatever one you want to class yourself with, and you want to take the business forward and go from 10 to 20 to 30 properties, and if you haven't built your own team of virtual assistants, so to speak, and you haven't got a clue how to do that, then this is the perfect solution.